Repairs and preventative maintenance of reinforced concrete structures requires a significant amount of private and public spending dollars. Consequently, it is important to prevent the corrosion of these structures and their reinforcing steel.
A major cause of bridge damage is the use of de-icing salts during the winter. De-icing road salts are used to keep bridges from icing over and make it safer to travel. An adverse effect of these salts, however, is that they can penetrate into the concrete and attack the reinforcing steel, causing corrosion and compromising long-term structural stability.
Protectosil corrosion control products protect buildings with their ability to penetrate deeply into the concrete.
To protect building structures, you have two main options. One option is to use a corrosion-inhibiting admixture in the concrete mix during construction. For existing structures, corrosion can be mitigated by the use of liquid silenes. Liquid silenes are applied to the cured steel reinforced concrete surface and penetrate to the reinforcing bar to effectively inhibit corrosion.
Protectosil products offer durable, easy-to-apply solutions that can significantly reduce maintenance costs and help to extend the service life of infrastructure buildings for decades.
Evonik. Power to create.